This is a ZUCA Artist Skipper. I purchased this from ZUCA's website directly using a pro artist discount. I paid a little over $100 with free shipping. Now, I bought this thinking I was going to replace my current makeup kit, but after spending a few days with it, I've decided to replace my hair kit instead. After doing a YouTube search, I couldn't really find anything, so here we are.
So right here, there is a zipper compartment. I don't know what I'm going to put in here yet. And then there's another zipper compartment here. And this one opens like so. And it has this little slot here. And then it also has this neck compartment. Now on each side, there is another compartment here. This shares space with the inside, and then it has this little plastic zippy compartment here. It has a pull handle that zip-ins close, so you can pull the handle out and wheel it. You can also carry it by the top handles. I actually wish it had a body strap, but it doesn't. Then it has the same exact compartment here on this sad where you can put something in here, and then again this shares space with the inside. It's Velcro handle, and then this part opens this way and it pulls forward. Now I'm going to turn it this way so you guys can see. So here there's a little plastic container that opens right here. I'll probably put baby wipes or makeup remover cloths, skincare, something like that. Right here is another compartment, so you can probably put lashes. There's a netting right here. This opens down, so basically it snaps closed, and then you can snap it open. Now the way that this is viewed on the website, this compartment has combs and brushes in it. I don't actually know what I'm going to put in here. This part right here is just the open slot. You are actually able to put a ZUCA pouch, and I'll show you. So if you wanted to, you could put the ZUCA pouch in there like this, and it may fit 2 ZUCA pouches. Yeah, it would fit 2 ZUCA pouches.
Vertical or horizontal, and you'd probably have enough room to put something else on the top.
There's a Velcro here, and you can probably put like folder or paperwork or palettes in this compartment. There are 2 of those. This one's a little deeper. And then there's this little plastic container right here and right here.